going to be doing everything, but what you said was a perfect description of part of our program. We're also, increasing marketing. A lot of these folks don't even have websites. We're increasing the signage. We're allowing them to check in online, which in the COVID environment is helping tremendously.
Yeah.
We might be converting an acre of grass to a boat or RV storage, which we can do for maybe $100,000 to pave that and
Right.
put a fence around that. I mean, there's all kinds of things. Selling locks, boxes, tape, scissors, charging late fees, actually putting the lock, the overlock on their unit after day 6 of being late. I mean, it's much easier to evict because you're not evicting a person. You're just you're collateralizing their stuff.
Yeah.
And usually for $100, they can catch up on their payment. Most people can afford $100, on their credit card to get out, so they can get to their stuff. So it's really, those are the types of things in self-storage, at least, that we're looking for.
And that's a really good point. There's so many times I've seen that there's a fine line between being a good operator and being lackadaisical. And some people draw that and they say, well, if you're a good operator, like you described, you can't be compassionate. And in these times, you need to be compassionate. But tenants are kind of like children. They go to get away with as much as they possibly can. But the minute that you tell them and continue to reaffirm to them that 5 days late is 5 days late, they aren't late anymore. And it's amazing how the learned behavior of a lackadaisical operator can go from 6 days to 12 days to now the tenant is a month and a half behind. And,
Right.
those are very easy habits to fix.